Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. I got a really slow moving train here at the Falaise St Jacques. There's Elton filming the same train. This is CN Freight. Here on the 28th of December 2023. Looks like 3 or 4 locomotives. Lots of locomotives on that. Yeah, baby. Here you got an SD70M-2, I think. Yeah, baby. Thanks. Four locomotives. Four engines on this one. That's awesome. Look at that. With Highway 20 in the background there. And we got a really great spot here. Hopefully this guy's got a green so he won't stop. We got a lot of hopper cars on this. Yeah. And what often happens here is sometimes you'll get a train coming the other way. You can get a Via train coming the other way. Now these are all scrap iron in these. And that's when you want to be on a bridge, because you can look down in there and you can see exactly what's in there. Sometimes it's structural steel, sometimes it's just scrap metal. It's always interesting to see what's in these gondola cars. Oh, that one looks interesting. A really slow moving train. Yeah, the end of the train is coming up there. There's some aluminum slabs. Yeah, I like it when it moves through like this, doesn't stop, it's all good. Nice smooth motion. I like a nice dynamic video. Here we go, that's the end of the train there. Last car. And I'm not seeing the Fred on this one. Not seeing any flashing light. But nonetheless, that's the end of the train. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.